Today's presentation, the materials and the process of making our shoe-shaped side wraps, testing our waterproofing and tensile strengths. This material, waterproof material with high tear resistance, seamless voltage process, long-term protection against heavy rain. Our waterproof bag production process consists of cutting, die cutter, voltage molds, computerized cuts, manual turning. Now let's test the waterproofing. No water leakage when lifted by hand. Very good waterproofing. Now let's do a tensile test on the waterproof bag. Each of our bags is subjected to a tensile test here. The quality of each process is checked. Now the test is the tensile strength of the seams. This is where the snaps are.